So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come this website gigabyte.com. This is the officially website. Then this is search button. So click and then enter your model number of required driver B860MK and then hit enter. Click on product. Find out this B860M. Then click this is your motherboard and click on support. So select your operating system Windows 10 11. So no worry about it if you are working like Windows 10. So installations process same. So you can install it same to same. Okay. So audio driver, and Realtek audio driver. See this is size and just you can this is click download button and you can just click to download. So I already downloaded. I show you see 165 size. After downloaded you open this and just double click to install. After some time it will ask for administrator rights like yes or no. You have to click to yes for the installation, then click to yes. Now you can see this is extract to your system for the installation. So guys, it will close automatically means this is installed. Okay, chipset. So C processing Intel driver and just click for download. Please start downloading. Wait for a second. I downloaded this 96 chipset driver. Open this. Then just double click to launch for installation. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds to install. And then it is closed automatically. This is installed. LAN driver and click on the download button. Let's start downloading, but wait few seconds to complete. So guys, this is installed 10.2. Just open LAN driver and double click to exe. then click to yes. Now this is installing. So guys, this is closed automatically, means this is installed, and then close it. Why VGA driver? Extract it, install Intel VGA driver, just click to download. It will start downloading like that. Wait few seconds. So you can see 915 VGA graphic driver, graphic, and double click to launch. Now this is extract and then install. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. And this is install and then close it.